Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fast travel in Expedition 33. When you're in an area in Expedition 33, instead of outside in the world map, the area can be extremely winded or just extends for a very long time. If you're one of the players that like to get every nook and cranny in every area you explore in the story, or just side story areas, then you're bound to backtrack in certain areas. These backtracks can take a long time, so it's best to have a way to fast travel. Thankfully, there is in Expedition 33. As you progress through the area, you will find the expedition flags. These will be your checkpoints and your source of fast travel and for resting. There is no map in these small areas, so the fast travel options will be just names of the regions. Because of that, keep a mental note of how many expedition flags you've come across. Just simply click onto them and you'll find yourself in the desired location. And that's how to fast travel in Expedition 33.